We always talk about lifelong learning, and that is the mission of any library, but especially the public library, because we're here to serve the community in all aspects. Hi, I'm Justine Yeager. I'm the library director here at the North Pocono Public Library. From the little ones to seniors, we are always interested in engaging people in activities, programs, ways that they can connect with each other and with us. Access to these resources can enhance your life, no matter what age you are.
As I see a library, it's not just a place to check out books. It's a place to grow. My name is Lois. I'm a member of the Friends of the North Pocono Public Library. I also serve as a member of the North Pocono Public Library Board of Directors. I'm not sure the community at large is as aware as I might like them to be of all that's possible in this building. It's like an oasis.
Hi, I'm Tony Acquaviva. I'm a member of the Board of Trustees here at the North Pocono Public Library, and I'm a volunteer in the gardens here at the library. Presently, it involves 20 raised beds, which are tended to by around 30 folks, and we raise all the vegetables organically. All of the food goes to the local food pantry. In recent years, we have harvested 1,200 pounds of food that goes to the food pantry. So it really is a benefit to the community. There's also an educational aspect to the gardens. We have a summer program for children called the Kids Dig It program. We also have some adult courses. For example, there's a making compost course that we have here. And then we have a lovely pollinator garden with all native plants. And people who come to the library love to come and visit the lush beauty of these gardens.
My name is Mary Rabel. I'm a volunteer here at the library, and for about 10 years I was a board member and I held every position but treasurer. You can bring your preschooler here for story time, for toddler time. It gets them used to being in almost a classroom type setting of being with an instructor. You can access the internet here. You can research your family tree. You could do anything here, and it's an open, free space for everyone.
No matter who you are, you can come into the library, see yourself represented in our programs, services, and collections, and know that you have a place here.